Okay, good morning everybody. We're going to be working on that 2017 Sion. We're going to go ahead and put a new wiring harness in it because the 17 has a weak pin in the main part of the harness, mainly the transmission portion. So we're going to put a new one in. I got Tiffany and Ridley here helping me today. We're going to do it all in time lapse, so hopefully this helps. Okay, so first we're going to pull the wiring harness off the 19 Subaru BRZ to put on the 17 Sion FRS. So first thing we're going to be doing is pulling the old one off. So okay, we got the old wiring harness off the old motor. Now we're going to take it off the new motor, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, another day of the books. We got a lot done. We got the motor off, the wiring harness off the Subaru motor, the harness off the Sion motor. We just got to put the Subaru harness on the Sion and we'll be done. So y'all stay tuned for part 2.